What's up everyone, it's Robin and welcome to the Robin's Nest. I'm so excited to share this next cake with you guys today. We are going to make an adorable fuzzy monster cake and I'm going to decorate that mainly with a number 133 grass piping tip and some simple fondant decorations to finish it off. So I hope you're interested in watching the tutorial and I hope you'll stick around. So let's get into it. Alright, so I've got that one nice and level, and I'm going to keep going with the rest of these. And when I finish up here, we're going to clean up and then start filling our layers. Alright, so we are going to be filling our layers with this delicious chocolate buttercream icing that I've mixed up. Now, I love it extra chocolatey, so I always add a little extra cocoa powder. And if you're interested in making your own or trying out my recipe, you can find that down in the description box below. So I'm going to get these layers filled up and we're going to get it off to the fridge for a little bit. Okay, so while we're waiting for our cake to chill, we're going to start making some fondant decorations. But before I do, I just want to thank you guys for watching and I really hope you're enjoying the video. And if you are, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Alright, so to start, I am going to begin with his eyes and his mouth. And when I'm finished those, we're going to move on to his horns and his antennas. And when I'm done all that, we are going to make him a cute little happy birthday hat. Alright, so we finished our decorations and I think they turned out really cute. So the next thing we want to do is clean up our cake a little bit before we do our crumb coat. So I'm going to take my serrated knife and I'm going to start trimming down the caramelization off the side. So when we put our crumb coat on, it's going to go on nice and smooth. Okay, so we've completed our crumb coat, and while it's still sticky, I want to start sticking some of his decorations on. So I want to decide where his face is going to be, and then I'm going to take this little piping tip, and I'm going to start strategically marking where I want his little orange spots to be. And once I'm happy with all that, I'm going to take my piping bag and I'm going to start at the bottom and pipe my way to the top, alternating my colors as I need to. Okay, so we finished all our piping, and that was pretty hard on the wrist. Now all we have left to do is our finishing touches. So I'm going to take our little horns, and we're going to put them right where we want them. Just going to give them a little squish down. Next we're going to do our antennas. Just going to stick them in here like this. Now our little birthday hat. Well, here he is, and I think he looks pretty cute if I do say so myself. I hope you guys all like him too. If you do, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring that bell so you don't miss any new videos. And if you're interested in any of the tools that I use, as always, you can find them down in the description box below. Thanks for watching.